Now we will see how to use the file share service that is available in Microsoft Azure. So in order to use that service, first you need to create one storage account. Okay. So just click on the storage accounts which is visible on the home page. Otherwise, you just go to the search bar, just type storage accounts. Just type storage accounts. When you click on the storage accounts, it will open you a new page. So click on create. I'm, I'm now creating a new storage account. It will ask you some details, your subscription details. I'm selecting here for Azure for Students, and the resource group is KL Student Learn, which I have created earlier only. If you did not create any resource group, just click on create new, and you have to create one resource group. Now give storage account name of your choice. I'm giving here KL test storage account. Now go to the region, select a region which is nearer to you. I'm here selecting South India. Okay. Now go to the primary service, go to Azure Files. I have selected Azure Files as a prime service. Keep everything as it is by default and click on Review and Create. Validation is in progress. Once it get validated, just click on Create. So whatever you have selected, that will be visible here, right? Now once the validation is completed, create the storage account. Deployment is in progress. It is going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Now the deployment is completed. So go to the home page. Go to the home page. Just click on the storage account that you have created. So KL test storage account I have created. Just click on this. Go to the left side menu. Under the data storage, click on file shares. Click on file shares. Now we have to create one file share. Click here. You have to give a name of your choice. I am giving KL test file storage. Okay. Leave everything is as it is. Maximum IOS is this one, and the maximum capacity these are the values. Just click on review and create. You can check the backup if you want. This is the daily policy. These are all by default. I am not disturbing anything. Click on review and create. Validation is passed. So it is using a protocol called SMB. Okay. Now click on create. Now in the storage account, I have created one file storage service, right? So now we can start uploading the files in the file share. Now just click on the upload, click on browse for files. Now now you can upload any files of your choice. I'm selecting this file to upload. Click on upload. The one file is uploaded in the file share. Okay. Now if you want to see that, go to the file share, storage browser, click on the storage browser. There are four options. As I have created a file share, click on file share. Again, click on this file test. This is the file that which I have uploaded here. Okay, convert from CSV to JSON. Now, the main thing, if you see the main thing, how you can access this file share from the file servers for the local systems. Just click here on the file shares here, and just click on the file storage what you have created, file share. Now you can see the first one is connect. Just click on the connect. Now I'm going to mount the drive from the local system to the cloud. Okay. Now when you click on this, you will get a three options: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So select according to the operating system that you are using in your system. As I'm using the Windows, I have selected this one. This is a drive letter which is going to mount it to the cloud. Now you can select any drive letter of your choice. According to that, the script is going to change. This is the storage account key I have selected. By default, it was selected. I'm leaving it. Now click on show script. Show script. The script was generated by the Azure automatically. Just copy this. Just copy the script. Now open the Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell I have opened. Now you need to paste the script which you have copied there. It is going to test the connection, the TCP connection. Once it gets succeeded, we can move further. Now see, the TCP test succeeded. Now click on enter. Credential added successfully. Means the Z drive is mounted from your local system or the file server to the cloud. Now if you go to the local system, you can see this file. You can see this drive. See here, one Z drive is mounted. In the cloud, I have uploaded one file that can be visible from your local system. That the file is shared to everyone, right? This is a Z drive which was mounted to the cloud. Now, if you go to the cloud again. Now, if you want to upload one more file, now this time I will select creating this MySQL. Now click on upload. Now I have uploaded one more file. Now go to the file shares, go to the storage browser, click on file shares, click here, what are the file share that you have created. Two files are uploaded. So whatever I have uploaded in the cloud, that will be visible from my local system. See, okay. So without having these two files in my local system physically, I can still use these files in my from my local system, right? So this is the file that I have uploaded. For example, if you want to share one file, you want to give access one file to uh, others in the cloud. So just go to the local drive in your system, select any file of your choice. For example, dbms commands. I have selected this. Just copy this file, go to the drive which was mounted to the cloud and just paste here. Okay, dbms commands I have added. Now go to the cloud, refresh it. You can see the dbms commands. Means what are the files that we keep in the zip drive which is mounted to the cloud, that can be accessed to the everyone. Okay, that will be visible in the cloud. Okay, this is called file sharing.